We all love fusion recipes, right? So today I just have that for you. It's a fusion recipes. I have combined Italian pasta with Chinese sauce. So it's Chinese sauce pasta and it tastes delicious as it looks delicious. And I'm collaborating with the brand Michelangelo for sending me this beautiful wok to try. So welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to use the pasta obviously for this recipe. So I'm using this rotini pasta, but you can use any pasta, like you can also use this elbows or penne pasta. So let's start the recipe. I'm going to use this wok that is sent to me by Michelangelo, and I'm really thankful for them to send me this piece to try it out. And this is a 4-piece wok set which comes with the lid as well as the steamer plate, so that you can boil, saute, fry, and steam all in one wok. And it also has vertical design glass lid for convenient placement and space saving. And this honeycomb laser etch design realizes the perfect combination of durability and non-stick performance, which makes the non-stick wok perfect for cooking. And it works with all type of cooktops, halogen, induction, gas, or electric. And it has this carved micro engraving base so that it can spread the heat evenly. It also comes with this spider web strainer, so it can make your frying or steaming or boiling needs easily. And so this 4-piece wok set is very useful and very versatile, and it's a hybrid honeycomb design. It's perfect combination of a non-stick and stainless steel, and it has a very beautiful and attractive design which will match any kitchen decor. So I'm going to start the recipe by boiling some water, and I'm adding some salt and oil to cook the pasta. And I'm adding the pasta and I'm going to cook it until it's al dente, which means it's 80% cooked. We don't want to cook it all the way. So now you can strain it using the spider strainer, and you can see that the pasta is not all the way cooked. Now heat wok again and then add oil. I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, I'm going to add chopped ginger and garlic and some chilies as per your taste. If you like heat, then you can add more chilies. Now saute it until raw flavor goes away. And I'm going to add some spring onions. Once they are sauteed, I'm going to add some diced onion. Saute for a few seconds, and you can use stainless steel spatula because this surface is scratch resistant. Now I'm going to add some diced bell pepper. I'm adding red and green. You can use yellow also if you like. Now I'm going to toss it so that it's evenly cooked, and this honeycomb design will make sure that my food is evenly cooked and sauteed. Now for the flavor, I'm going to add some tomato ketchup. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and some chili garlic sauce and soy sauce around 1 tablespoon. Now mix everything well. Now to adjust the consistency and make this a little bit saucy, I'm going to prepare a slurry using a cornstarch and water. So here I'm taking about 1 to 2 teaspoon of cornstarch and around 1 tablespoon of water, and to make this slurry. Now add this mixture to the vegetables, and you can adjust the consistency by adding water more or less. So you can see it has formed a nice thick sauce. I'm going to add just a little bit of water to adjust the consistency. So once it comes to boil, I'm going to add salt as per taste and black pepper. Now I'm going to add the cooked pasta in it and mix it very well so that it can coat evenly. And we are just going to bring this to boil just once, and then our Chinese sauce pasta is ready. So I'm going to garnish with some chopped spring onion, and here we go. Our recipe is ready. I'm going to serve this, garnish with some spring onions, and here we go. It's our fusion recipe is ready to try. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you find this review of this wok set helpful, and I will see you soon with some other easy recipes. Till then, bye bye.